Them I wonder how me live through this. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified. From me born on the earth is a risk. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified.
Good morning, guys. So I'm here with mommy. We are going into Lucy because we have to get like chicken and stuff for one of the stuff that's coming up. So we're gonna for the dead yacht. I didn't want to say, but yeah, we're gonna go get chicken for the dead yacht. So we have to get it from the truck. So basically we have to go meet the truck in Lucy because they're just bringing the chicken for my mom, and it's like a lot of chicken or whatever. So, and then we're gonna go to country where my grandma lives, which we were there like a few days ago or something. Isn't that again?
I'm going to training.
Training for what? Football? Guys, my cousin up there. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's going to football practice. Nikan! Does he see us? Nikan! Is that Nikan the small? He's coming back. Guys, my cousin's coming. He was there last night. I have not been vlogging, but I'm trying to vlog more.
Get on. Where go?
Where is he going?
Where go? Football practice? Oh.
Oh.
Later. When you come back.
Yeah. Hot boy, hot boy. You know how many alarms I set? Mom's talking about she was gonna leave me this morning. I was up at the crack of dawn. I came up, I was up, went back to sleep. Guys, I'm sitting and waiting for my mom to collect the chicken. We've been waiting since this morning. That was a few hours ago, and now they just came. So now we're just waiting. I don't know how to take my camera off this server, but yeah, so now we're just kind of waiting until so my mom collects the chicken for the grave chicken.
Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the topics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Connie's. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name. She tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica.
Guys, we're in the grill getting a phone card. Feels like it tastes young.
You're young, right?
I cannot deal with him.
You have some van too? Negative?
The chicken?
Double M.
What more?
You think I did for that too?
Oh, that's cool. You people are going to put them on these.
What's going on?
Mom piece. For Glenda.
No, man, we sitting with that man.
What?
The. How many times open all of them?
How many times I love him?
Yeah, before you can't get there. Oh, I hope very much.
Say if you don't love your woman, wait until I say don't love her.
I'm going to tell you, I'm going to buy one bag of bags. They see the money. Go and get. See the money back in. I'm all right. And sometimes they drink, you know.
You sleep on your park this morning? I didn't notice so?
You see them boy, two man sleep in the park one day. The boy that sleep in the park one day, the ugly boy. You know?
Oh.
Yes, I know. Me tell me business, the boy.
So I know you will do it too, pa?
No, not the fee.
So which one you do? The one over where we see you?
I'm saying pay me money on my house and buy those time. And until my time, man. Look at my life, so. Take a Christian man.
Then find for me to see you all of the other sweepy park.
Where?
Over Churchill side. Over the side to the...
No, man, I want to buy my house there. You don't understand again? I'm going to tell me more. Sometimes you get a house, so then I can't pick up my duty and they pay me. That's what I move, man.
Rum can nice? Rum can nice?
You talk to me like I'm married, so you go to pass and say this I do.
What?
Calm down, man.
So me they talk to me like me go to pass and say I do.
Listen, Fifa, why are you always disrespecting mom like
I
that?
don't do that. You can't tell them that 7 pass me to avoid me.
You know, because you.
I'm not calling if you avoid me. I'm a family man cost me. You see me saying half of me. So come here. You feel me now? But like when you come and see me, girl, you're happy.
Fifa, what happened at the graveyard?
Where is it?
Oh no, you left before us.
Why is it there?
I no divorce. No divorcing wife. I'm married to them.
Oh,
To tell my mother.
oh,
Oh.
oh, you want my
I
grandmother?
want you.
Tell my shame me to
I want you. You can take care of me.
Yeah, I'm going to chat too much, man. Come to me. So, I'm loving it.
Fifa, you love grandma?
Oh, very much, man.
So I'm going to turn this funny.
No, me don't want to
Where are you going?
I come in.
Oh my God,
Mom.
I want to get ready now.
I leave it here, man. If I walk with the man Wednesday, I see what's that one. You know what?
A Friday man, if you come up there now.
Oh, you're free to me come.
Wait, for you?
Oh.
Yes, sir, you come everybody place early.
See, man.
Let me tell you this.
Me want to
You have to come a week.
Where am I, man?
Funeral and dead yard. If me miss you, you can't come back and you can't stay in a
You
Lucy.
can't see me, Sunday now. No, some of them concrete now. Say I'm afraid about concrete.
So if you make concrete in your suit.
What am I? Cool, you're full now. You see, I old soldier, you don't carry. All that time, you know, man, you know, women and family. I said, oh, my God. You
I
carry.
sat down on Sunday.
That's what I put it Sunday. Everything I get off for you. When we go
What is this?
Hold on, man.
Boom.
When we go to the come back here, I'm going to take off the one side. This is very clean up. We can't work with this now. All the time we pain for it. But it's me up. So, Sunday now, when we go come out of church, and the time we make concrete, and I'm much concrete now. Me don't do it. You have to tell me me don't do it. You don't think about that. But that's, you could have concrete.
Outside of here.
So that, yes and I marry you.
You get
Yeah, yeah. So you know, when the party say, if I may come up, yeah, last year, I will do I
This is good.
We don't
We
do
don't read what.
Yeah.
When they talk. When they talk over. The eulogy.
What?
I know it.
What? Say it?
Yeah.
What is
Hey, it's a bad business, man. What was your eyes? They said, I'm not telling him.
Yeah.
Mom, how did you know it was a eulogy. But how did you know that's what he was saying?
See ya.
We used to eat, yeah.
You have a special as well. You have a special good sister. And when you're dead, when you're born,
Oh.
whatever, and when you live, thank God what God to kill him, thank God. Happy your father.
That who?
Son of gunshot, yeah.
Kill him.
Oh, you're happy?
Activity, thank God. Let me say I do it.
I mean, Derval was a thief?
No man.
He say me saying glad say no
We
gunshot.
can't try it and thief. For you
Oh.
know, it's when thief and one shot, the party got a long foot at church. When we went tan, and people tell me this and that, yeah, me tell happy that. I'm a friend of man, and I tell me, I guess it's like 5 o'clock, take a drink, river, yeah man.
Yeah. What are you bringing to the graveyard? Don't come empty-handed.
What is it?
Don't come empty-handed.
Me a widow.
Oh man.
I'm my wife, listen, you know, and care me, and take care of me. Find what she's there with me.
If me want that, me have to buy him this, he want cigarette, he want rum, he want beer, he want that.
Good. You can't understand, you man. I'm saying, tell me, come on, for yourself. I'll be there now, after myself. And I love me, you know. Old man look, see me good. I'm calling on guy who's vampire. He's Speedy.
What name?
Speedy. I'm calling him Speedy. Maybe I'm put on the color. Tell me, I'm
So we're going to go to the girl we don't like, what they call it?
we can't do that. You know, we can't try that. Every time I ask me to tell me about when you feel like me there with him. Fucking. It's when somebody.
Oh my God.
My wife come and say, yeah, I want box you. And give me 2 bucks. No,
Your wife?
It's mine.
Your wife box on this one?
Somebody said, why is it?
Wife, what about you work?
Yeah.
I want it, your wife don't want him.
Yeah. Box with it. I was born on box with it. Yeah, I want to do.
You feel nice?
Put 2 cell phone on me. You like film for